This is an image of the unrestored mural titled Paradise, Land of Men, of Trees, Birds, and Ships by Hundertwasser and Bro, created in 1950. You can click anywhere on this image to zoom in and examine it more closely. And on the following pages are additional images and documentation, and you can use the arrows in the bottom right and left-hand corner in order to navigate through the slides. You can also click on this grid of buttons right over here, and that will show you all of the slides at once, and you can zoom in on any one of them. Now I'm going to give you a very quick walkthrough here, but once I'm done, feel free to browse at your own pace. So on this next slide is an art print of the mural, but even here you'll notice the colors don't quite pop the way they should, and the restored mural would, like much of Hundertwasser's work, exhibit some intense coloration. On the bottom of this image is Hundertwasser in the act of painting the mural itself, and on the top is an image of him visiting it once it was installed. Here is a detail showing the current unrestored mural with the old yellowing varnish that's evident. And here's a detail on the left side of the mural with some modest photoshopping to simulate a post-restoration state. Now on the bottom here you can see Hundertwasser and Bro standing in front of the mural. Here is a shot of the mural as it was being removed from the building that it had been housed in for many years, and another shot of the transportation. And here's another close-up detail shot. And then on these last pages you're going to find some documentation like a restoration evaluation and some other documentation. Again, if you need to see closer, you can click to zoom in, or click the button in the middle up here between the star and the X in the right hand corner, and that will make it go full browser and it'll be easier to see the text. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them here. Just click the comment button and select a commenting option. Thank you.